So this is everything I got for this week's grocery shop. And of course I have my staples such as rice and beans already at home, so I only had to more or less get fresh ingredients. So let's get started. Here we have 2 rolls that I always get in a linen bag, a bunch of onions, a bag full of potatoes, probably 2 kilos of potatoes I reckon, a cauliflower, spinach, bananas. I already have bananas at home because I eat quite a lot of bananas, so that will last me for about half a week. I have 3 paprikas, 4 sweet potatoes, then a curry paste and a tomato sauce. Here we have a lemon, coconut milk and sweet corn and 3 carrots. So that is it. That is all I got for this week's grocery shopping, and everything was only 15 pounds. Let me know what your staples are, because mine are definitely bananas, rice, and beans. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye!